Good morning, children. My name is Dr. Nilofer and I am a dentist. Hope you all are fine, enjoying the school. Today I'll just talk about what your teacher has already taught you in class. It's just like a revision. I will tell you about the types of teeth, the central incisor, the lateral incisor, the canine, the premolar and the molars. As you know, the incisors helps you to bite the food. The canine helps you to tear the food, and the premolars and the molars help you to grind the food. So these are the function of the teeth. And let's move on and let's see about the number of teeth. So total you have 32 number of teeth for an adult and 20 for the children's like you. So when you come to the age of 12 to 13 years, you will lose all your milk teeth. And then you will be having 28 permanent teeth. The rest 4 means 28 plus 4, 32. So the rest 4 you will get it in the age of 17 to 25. 17 to 25 years of age you will get all your 32 teeth. So the 4 teeth which you get in the age of 17 is called the wisdom teeth. Now we will talk about the layers of the teeth. There are 3 layers in a teeth: the enamel, dentin and the pulp. The enamel is the hardest layer in the human body because it contains 96% of minerals, and the dentin is the second hardest part in the human body. It contains of 70% of minerals. The enamel and dentin protect the pulp, which is the third layer, which is only nerves and blood supply. How is the cavity formed? You know that the cavities are formed by bacteria, germs, microbes which are in our mouth, which can't be seen by the eyes. What happens when you eat sugary foods, sticky chocolates, candies? You have so much sugar in your mouth. The bacteria are attracted to these sugar products and sit on your teeth and produce acid. This acid destroys the enamel because this sweetness in your mouth stays for a longer time. Because when you don't brush, it stays for a longer time. If you brush properly, it will not stay for a longer time. So what happens? The bacteria produces acid and the acid destroys your teeth step by step from enamel to dentin and then goes into the pulp, and then one day you will have a teeth pain or a toothache. So that time you have to visit a dentist and then they will remove your teeth or do something. So it's better. Prevention is always better than cure. So you have to brush your teeth properly. You have to brush your teeth at least 2 times, morning and in the night before going to bed. And if you like really sticky chocolates and candies, have to brush immediately after having that chocolates. Okay? And brushing is very important. It's not just you go just do the brushing for just 1 minute. You have to brush for 2 minutes. You have to keep a timer, brush for 2 minutes slowly and in rotation motion, not in a straight way, and put the food particles inside where the germs can attack. In between the teeth, you should not push your food particles with the brush so that the germs will sit there and then it will destroy your teeth. You have to brush properly, slowly for 2 minutes and change your brush every 6 months. And use an age appropriate toothpaste also. For your age, you will get your toothpaste in the pharmacy or in the supermarkets. You can buy that and use it. Okay? And drink lot of water. Keep your mouth hydrated. That also will prevent from cavities. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.